Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is ABCD is a square with each side 12 centimeter. P is a point on BC such that area of triangle ABP is to area of triangle trapezium APCD is 1:5. Find the length of CP. So let's draw first the square, that is ABCD, and each side is 12. P is a point on BC. So this is P such that area of ABP मतलब ये area and area of trapezium APCD, this one is 1:5. This is one portion, this is 5 portions, right? Now what is given? It's area of the new triangle formed and area of trapezium is given in the ratio. They are not the real areas. But when we multiply the terms of the ratio with a constant, what we get is real areas. That means area of square ABCD is equal to area of triangle APB plus area of trapezium APCD. Fine, because this square is divided now in two portions. Area of square. What is area of square? The side of the square is 12 given. So area of square is 12 into 12. That is 144 centimeter square. Now area of APB and area of trapezium APCD is not given, but their ratios are given. Area of triangle APB by area of trapezium APCD is 1:5. They are not the real area, but when we multiply the terms of the ratio with a constant, they become the area or real areas. So area of triangle APB can be 1x and area of trapezium APCD will become 5x. Fine. So now 1x plus 5x is equal to 144. Fine, because 1x plus 5x is the area of the whole square. 6x is 144. So x का value will be 144 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12 and 24. 6 4s are 24. So what is x? X is 24. So what will be the area of triangle now? 1x, that is 1 into 24. 24 centimeter square. Fine. So now we know area of triangle APB is equal to half base into height. Half base is 12, that is AB, and height is BP. Fine. This is equal to 24 centimeter square, which we found with the help of ratio thing. So this is 6. So BP will become 24 divided by 6. That is 6 4s are 24. So BP is how much? Is 4 centimeter. We have to find CP. What is CP? According to the figure you can see, CP is BP minus PB. CP is BC or CB, whatever, minus BP. Fine. And what is BC? BC is 12, the side of the square, minus 4. So this will become your 8. So CP is 8 centimeters. So this is how we will find the side.